in action. We back in the action, boys. Now, I've been thinking hard on this, man, and I think it's really time to expose myself for who I truly am. A motherfucking blue genie. It's not even my final form. Now, imagine me as being this sick blue genie granting you one wish that all motherfucking hypebeast 12-year-olds want. Y'all are all the same, man. Try to change it up a little bit. But hey, I know y'all, man, so it's not really goofing on you. It's just the truth. Your wish would be to be touched by the cloud god himself. No, not actually touched. Put the finger away. This is a fucking channel for children. We don't do that shit. I mean the real cloud god himself. No, not you, Blazendary either. Get out of here. I'm talking about the real motherfucking Jesus, Cloud and Christ himself. That's me as Jesus. And I am the cloud god, aka I'm gonna make your wishes come true. Now I'm granting you this wish as Jesus, Cloud and Christ because I could grant you so many more, like bringing Lindsay Lohan back from her drug grave. But why would we do that? She's kind of fun this way. Or I can turn Selena Gomez under the age of 18 again, but why would we do that? That'd be cruel. She hit her good looks way later. Anyway, as a cloud god himself, I'm giving you the skills to walk into Nike outlet and find any shoe you ever imagined. Bitch, we see some bad shoes there. They're selling for $30. We ain't getting those though. We're finding the real hype. Y'all want to find Nike Air Max and Nike outlet? I'll let you do it. Y'all want to find a hot chick in Nike outlet? Well, that's up to you, because I don't have any skills in that area. Y'all want to find a Yeezy collab with Nike in the Nike outlet? Let me tell you, boys, I'm going to give you the skills to do it. Because I myself am not only Cloud God, just God. Yes! Fuck! Fucking kids. Always here. Now let me show you what I mean, man, because I just walked into Nike outlet the other day with this mindset of fucking greatness, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna find the coolest pair of sneakers in the world here for 50 bucks, and I'm gonna resell them for 30 grand. Now, weirdly enough, I fucking thought it, and it worked. And here's how it went. So this is kind of an unboxing in a video, so it's like a video in a video. Inception, bitch! It's fucking dope. Now, I found these at Nike outlet the other day, man. I was surprised beyond belief, because I was like, yo, these things go hard. And they were only $50, as y'all can see as we open up this motherfucking package. We found some Nike Air Monarchs at Nike outlet. Now, I didn't bring my camera with me because you guys know, if you've been watching videos, that they actually banned me. So I thought if I go in without a camera and a sick disguise, which was panties on my forehead, I thought that they wouldn't recognize me. So I was actually able to purchase these. Now, y'all might be saying, bro, those aren't sick at all. Well, guess what? As God, I'm also a creator, and I'm about to show you guys how you can take a shitty shoe from Nike outlet. Honestly, these go very hard. Don't get mad at that statement, but technically they're a shitty shoe, and we're about to make them real lit. We're about to make them real lit. Let's go to the customization station. Off to the customization station we go! I was filming a quick video. Okay, the customization station is gonna be in here tonight. My roommate's home cooking food, and honestly, quite embarrassed to film in front of her. So here's how the customizing starts, man. When I found these at the Nike outlet, I thought they were dumb, stupid, and dumb. So I thought I was definitely not gonna wear them how they are, but what if we made them into the sickest collab y'all have ever seen? A Nike Monarch Yeezy, which I think would be really sick. And dope enough, we got a little Yeezy bottom here. This is off of the Yeezy peanut butters that we made. So it's a little peanut buttery, still gonna work. All y'all need is a bottom of a Yeezy or a bottom of any other shoe, a clear table, and then you're gonna need a goddamn knife, man, because we getting jiggy with it. Why is it in the toilet? Always! So once you guys have the knife, I know a lot of you guys are probably like, NameBran, they don't have a sharp knife like that. What do I do? Buy one, idiots. Then we start cutting for the moms that love us, which sounds awful. I didn't mean it in that way. Cut the shoe, nothing else, okay? Ooh, she a tit bitch. This ain't tough. Oh, there we go. Once you break through, boys, it becomes a lot easier and more natural to cut through the skin of the shoe. And just like that, man, it's real easy. As y'all see, we have the bottom part here. Now we just have to hope and pray to God that it's gonna fit on the bottom of the Yeezy. Let us all pray for a second. And God is great. And God is, say it with me, boys. And God is great. In God we trust, for NameBran's dick should no longer be rusted. Because he's never used it? Even though he has a girlfriend, she doesn't want to ban him because his dick is tiny? Let us do another prayer now. For once we hope NameBran will find a girl, for she is the one that will look at his dick and hurl. Prayer over, let the real God take care of me. Next up, baby, grab your glue and glue your butt cheeks together. We get it lit. Just joking, don't do that, but that'd be quite funny. Alright, boys, now that we got the glue on lock plugged in, we got the AK-47 cocked to my cock, it's time to talk to you about a small issue that I've been really wanting to discuss. The issue or public service announcement that I want to talk to you guys about is called dwarfism, and I really want to put this out there because I think a lot of people don't take it seriously. You might look at a dwarf or a midget or whatever they want to be called and say, hey, he looks like a good guy, but that might not always be the case. A lot of dwarfs can be extreme assholes. Don't judge a book by its cover. Now that's one of the negatives about dwarfs, but here's the positive about dwarfs. Sometimes when you see one on the street, you just want to go and make friends with him. You can't do that because they're real people like us, and they need to be locked with the skills in life to be able to be people like us, and we're the only ones holding them back. I'm with you with the dwarfisms. I'm with you, all you people out there that play little Wookiees in Star Wars and everything like that. I'm with you. The PDA announcement is always going to be here. Dwarfism is no joke, and for that, I will never poke fun at a dwarf again. And I don't think I have, but I've been really trying to become a better person lately and just talk about topics that really people don't think about. And dwarfism is not funny, and I hope that one of you are watching out there, and I want to say, I'm with you, and may the force be with you. And also, I don't know if you're an asshole or not, and I will not judge a book by its cover just because you look friendly, okay? So, that's a public announcement. I'm sorry that I had to come in this video. I just really needed to let you guys know that this is no joke, and they have hardships, but they're also just like us. They might wear smaller shoes, but they're probably doper. I know a dwarf that has extremely sick shoes, and I don't have the ones that he has. He is the only one that has those shoes. Thank you. Thank you guys for listening to that announcement. Just know NameBran's always for the kids and not a douche, and anything that I say is meant to just be out of the graciousness of my heart and my balls and everything like that. We've got the shoe fitted, cutting myself off, and now what we're gonna do is lay a big bead of glue along the shoe right here, where we're gonna attach it to the shoe. I have to do a little extra cutting here to make it look dope. It's, y'all get it. Y'all get it. You know what I mean? Y'all get it, man. Without further ado, boys, before I show you this, actually, I do want to put in your heads one more time that not only am I the best commissioner and customizationer in the world, but y'all need to put some respect on my name, because I'm the one that's doing it the hardest ever. I'm the one that's making the dopest things ever, and the respect on my name is all I desire. Without further ado, we have the Nike Yeezy Monarch shoe! Snoop! Sorry, that's a great song. As y'all can see, we have the Nike Air Yeezy right here. Now I'm gonna do a little more work on it before I post it to Photoshop shit like wow, I just got discovered. Before I post it to Instagram. But this is what we have right here. It's just a light draft. I'm gonna start cutting this out, stuff like that. But y'all can rock anything y'all ever want to wear from the Nike outlet. Y'all can find anything you want from a strip club and a Nike outlet. But let me just say, if y'all actually use some real glue on this, not a hot glue gun, whatever. Actually, they have some really powerful ones out there that would work. Y'all can actually wear these shoes. But this is just a rough draft. As y'all can see, I'm really gonna work on it a little bit more, but it did not come out that bad. All y'all need to do is just cut it into shape, and it's all Gucci and the hoochie, and the coochie, and the poochie, and not Gucci and the poochie if we're talking about cooch, but you know what I'm trying to say. NameBran fans, real strong. We've been marking the game the greatest of all time. We've been the GOATs. YouTube once again is trying to shut us down, but we ain't going nowhere. You know why? Because we have big dicks. The biggest dicks in the world. Blazendary's probably got a smaller than me, and Kite's probably has a smaller one than me, and Jacob Starr probably has a smaller one than me. Except, you know who's got bigger ones? Always keep in mind, the midgets and the little people. Just because they're small doesn't mean that they have small penises. Mine's probably bigger than most of them, but I'm not being discriminative when I say that, and I'm not trying to throw them in the well of wishes when I say that. I'm just saying mine's bigger than most, and the little people also have big ones. So don't discriminate. Culture bait, and culture and masturbate is all I'm trying to say. Here's the shoe. Here's me just trying to spew some knowledge, man. You know what I mean? Back in the Gucci, we back in the Gucci. Love y'all, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like down below. And I think this turned out really dope. And also it's from the Nike outlet. And also, I think I'm gonna pass out. I talked a lot. Blow.